You know, when I put my gloves, it's always for something gross that I'm about to repair, right? So, this one you won't believe your eyes. Alright, check this out. This iPad came. This top doesn't work. It's cracked, but the bottom is working. So, the customer said, he wants to fix it. But check this out. You won't believe this. Look at this sticky thing on the case. This case is broken already, but check this out. How gross is this? How gross is this? Look at that. How people live like this? Unbelievable. See how sticky is that? You cannot even take the case out. Get this frame. So we're gonna deep clean this and we're gonna fix the screen. I have to clean this first and then I can change the screen. You can't even touch this. So many DNAs here. Look at this. Probably they never removed the case. Like a rock on them. And we need to clean the frame. See the hairs? Check this out. It's not even coming out. Just how? Must you never remove your case? See what's underneath? Probably they cannot even hear anything on this. this screen. It looks like somebody repaired this before. It's coming off easy. There is some liquid even here. There you are. It's broken. You see somebody broke it. I'm gonna clean the frame from the broken screen. Gonna tap a little bit. The battery doesn't look good. It looks swollen. We have to remove the original home button to new screen. Time to clean this gross case. I don't know what that is, but you see it, right? Look at that. And this. I offered him a new case, but he said his kid is gonna break it again, so. But check this out, you see that hair, right? It's like so many DNAs here. See the hair? Check this out. Pizza left over. Still coming. Told you this is gross. clean this case inside. Get in there. The moment you all have been waiting. Your iPad is ready, sir. Look at this. How clean is this now? Can I get a wow? Woo! Of course you wanna see if the apps is working, right? Let's click on, nope, they need to download. Okay, let's put this, here we go. Now the top is working. So of course you want to see the case too, right? And this is the case that grows, turn to this, and that's the other one. See how clean is this now? Oh, that one. Here we go. That's it. And this one too. Final look with the case on. Okay, nice and clean, huh?